If you are in the architecture industry, you want to use tools that are quick and easy. The software that I will show you today is exactly that, quick and easy. But on top of that, it has a lot of other qualities. That's why today I'm going to introduce you to a piece of software that ticks all of those boxes, which is Coohom. Coohom is a web-based design platform that is not only fast and easy to use, but also packed with powerful features that can save you both time and effort. One of the standout things about Coohom is that it is fully web-based. If you go to Coohom.com, you'll notice immediately that this is much different from the traditional design software that you might be used to. With Coohom, you don't need to worry about downloading large files or upgrading your computer just to keep up with the demands of the software. All you need is a device with an internet connection and you're basically good to go. This is a massive benefit for those who may not have access to powerful machines. Working on the cloud doesn't just save you from hardware upgrades, it also makes it incredibly easy to collaborate with others. If you're working on a project with a team, whether they're across the office or across the world, everyone can access the same file and make edits in real time. That means no more back and forths with emails or version control issues. For students, this is particularly helpful because it allows you to collaborate on group projects seamlessly, no matter where your team members are located. But the cloud-based nature of Coohom is just the beginning. One of the most impressive features of this platform is its extensive model library. This is where Coohom really starts to shine. With access to over 1 million models, you're covered whether you're designing a home interior or putting together a full construction plan. The models in Coohom include not just furniture, but also construction elements and materials that can be used for both interior and exterior designs. Whether you need a specific chair, a wall texture, or a structural beam, Coohom's library has you covered. This is an expansive library that gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility, allowing you to experiment with different styles and configurations without needing to create each model from scratch. The best part, Coohom makes it super easy to use. You can drag and drop these pre-made models right into your project, cutting down the time you would normally spend on sourcing or creating assets on your own. This is a major time saver, especially for students working on class projects or professionals dealing with tight deadlines. With other design platforms, I've tried a bunch of them, but you often have to spend hours searching for the right model or creating one from scratch. With Coohom, all that's taken care of you, so you can focus on what really matters, which is the design itself. Now, let's dive into one of the most important aspects of any design software, in my opinion, visualizations. After all, this is what your clients or your professors are going to see when you present your work. As someone who focuses heavily on rendering and visualization, this is where I believe Coohom truly shines, because the platform allows you to quickly generate high-quality renders, videos, and even 360-degree panoramas of your designs. Whether you're pitching it for an idea to a client or working on a school project or creating something for your portfolio, Coohom's visualization tools definitely deliver on all of those. One of the things I love about Coohom's rendering capabilities is the time to quality ratio. Many design software platforms require a lot of time and resources to generate high-resolution images or animations. With Coohom, however, the output is fantastic for the relatively small amount of time and input required. You will not find yourself waiting around for hours for render to finish, which, let's face it, is something that we have all experienced with other tools. Instead, Coohom generates professional level visualizations quickly, allowing you to move on to the next phase of your project without unnecessary delays. But don't think of Coohom as just a visualization tool, because it is a lot more than that. In fact, one of the things that makes Coohom stand out is that it's a full pipeline project design tool. This means that you can start a project from the very first concept and develop it all the way to the construction plans, budgeting, and even client proposals, all within the same platform. You're not jumping between different programs to get the job done. Everything is integrated with the Coohom, making your workflow much smoother and a lot faster. And this end-to-end capability is a game changer for both students and professionals, and especially for students where you can create comprehensive projects without having to learn multiple programs. You can start with an idea, you can sketch it out, visualize it, and even develop the construction documents all in one place. For professionals, this means that there is less time spent on learning new software or dealing with file compatibility issues, and everything you need is in one ecosystem, and it's all designed to work seamlessly together. Another huge advantage of Coohom is its simple user interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive, and it is very easy to navigate even when I have used it. Even for those who may not have a lot of experience with design software, whether you're new to design or seasoned pro, you'll find that Coohom has a low barrier to entry. You do not need to spend weeks or months learning how to use it. You can dive in and almost immediately start creating your projects and putting your creativity in the canvas. Because Coohom is cloud-based, it's also incredibly lightweight in terms of hardware requirements. You will not need a high-powered machine to run it, which is a major plus for students who may not have access to expensive computers, or for professionals who travel frequently and work on less powerful laptops. Everything is processed in the cloud, meaning that your device doesn't bear all of the power for work. Freelancers definitely can find Coohom very helpful. If you're a freelancer in the design or 3D modeling world, Coohom can save you a lot of time because you can complete projects a lot quickly thanks to the ready-made model library and the rapid rendering tools. The cloud-based system also allows you to manage multiple projects at once. You can collaborate with clients and meet tight deadlines, all from a single platform. If you've ever struggled with juggling multiple clients or dealing with last-minute changes, then you will appreciate how easy Coohom makes it to stay organized and efficient. If you want to give Coohom a try, you can click the link in the description and sign up right now to join with a discount.